Hey guys, got a quick tip for you. If you're in my situation where you have a manual release for your chute on your team roping setup and you're done with that, you want a remote, but you want to spend 1,500 bucks to set it up, well, let me show you how I did it for about 50 bucks and you're going to love it. Stay tuned, we're about to see it. All right, so here's our chute. We did have at one time this rope set up where you could pull it and it would pull that string and that would open up those gates. But we just got tired of doing that. So we went and we bought some items for this job. It's really simple. It's two pieces. You need the actuator or the ram, which is this silver part here. Then you need the wireless kit, which is this part here. And it's super simple to easy to wire up. You basically attach the two wires from the actuator into the control box. Then the control box, you then wire that into a 12-volt battery source, which is just a normal 12-volt car battery. Then, using this remote, you have A and B. A pushes the actuator down, the rod down. B brings it back up. That's that simple. So let's go and install it and let's check it out. So this is what we did. We added this ram here. There's a link down below. We cut a piece of square tubing. We attached it to this bar. We then use some hose clamps to close it into there. So when you push the button, this pushes it down, spring gets tension, this pops open. Show us, Dad.
Go ahead.
Yep, do it. And they're open. And then if you hit the other button, it raises it back up. And then all you got to do is come in here and grab it. And it locks it right back down.
It's right up on your horse.
Yep.
Like that.
And then so that cable comes down, attaches into the controller box that is right here that we taped in, and then over to our battery. So then the wiring comes down. The orange wire is just an extension. This is for the solar panel, and it goes right into a standard 12-volt battery. And that's the whole system there. Any questions, let me know. Well, as you can see, pretty simple to do. Maybe take you 20 to 30 minutes to actually setting everything up here. The parts cost around 50 bucks. There's a link down below where you can buy all the parts off Amazon. Easy, simple solution, guys. Need to buy a car battery, and that's about it. Otherwise than that, you just have to manually shut this and be ready for the next rider, because you hit that little button and whew, you're off and going. So if you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more DIY stuff around the ranch and the farm, make sure to subscribe. I have a lot more coming here from the N2 Ranch. See you next time, guys.